You've reached the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. To connect to support for LGBTQI+ youth and young adults, press 3.
This is what you'll hear if you call into the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline right now. But starting on July 17th, that option 3, specifically for LGBTQ youth, will no longer exist. According to the Trevor Project, more than 1 million have used the nationwide Suicide and Crisis Lifeline's LGBTQ+ Youth Specialized Services Lifeline since it was established in September of 2022. Now that it's going away, LGBTQ youth advocates around the country say they're concerned about the impact it will have.
Many of my colleagues were immediately fearful of what that means. I think for so many young people that maybe don't live in a place like New York where there's access to so many services, that's the only thing they have access to.
Amy Harclerode is the CEO of the Hetrick-Martin Institute, the first LGBTQ youth-serving organization in the world. HMI provides everything from help with housing, therapy, and hot meals for LGBTQ youth in New York City.
But 988 is such an easy way to dial in and to connect to folks, and HMI is not open 24 hours.
LGBTQ youth are 4 times as likely to attempt suicide, and the rates are even higher for trans youth. That's why advocates say this lifeline was life-saving.
Somewhere in New York City, there's a gay teen who is on the brink. They are really considering ending their own life. And this is going to make the difference between life or death.
Advocates like New York City Council member Eric Botcher are all too familiar with this reality.
I am a survivor of suicide attempts. When I was 15 years old, I spent a month in a mental health hospital after a series of suicide attempts. They didn't have the Trevor Project back then. I got lucky.
The Trevor Project has serviced almost 50% of the LGBTQ+ youth specialized services call volume. Their CEO, James Black, called the termination of this lifeline devastating. HMI says they'll continue to provide life-saving mental health care for LGBTQ youth. Every young person who walks through their doors can access one-on-one care with a counselor.
To young people out there, we see you, we love you, your existence and your self-awareness is a miracle.
Olivia, Leach, New York 1.